Hi and welcome to E-ZTutoring. Today we're going to cover how you can find the quotient of two polynomials. So every problem will be different. In this case we have two trinomials, but the steps for every problem will be the same. And the steps are that all you want to do is simplify each one by factoring. And then after you factor, you can see what factors on the top will cancel out with factors on the bottom. And from there, that is how you can simplify it. So let's go ahead and see what the top simplifies down to. So we need two numbers that multiply to 3, and we need two numbers that add to 4. This is standard for factoring a trinomial when the leading coefficient is 1. You guys can check out my video on this if you're not familiar with what I'm doing. So what numbers multiply into 3? 3 times 1 and negative 3 times negative 1. Now, which of these numbers can you combine to get 4? Obviously, negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4. We don't want that. But 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So those are the numbers we want. So now we can go ahead and factor this into x plus 3 times x plus 1. And now let's go ahead and do the bottom. So for the bottom, we need two numbers that multiply to negative 12 and two numbers that add to negative 1. So what multiplies into negative 12? You could say negative 12 times 1. Can't combine those to get negative 1. You also have 12 times negative 1. Those don't work. What about negative 3 times 4? Negative 3 plus 4 gives you positive 1. Okay, let's go ahead and switch the signs. 3 times negative 4. And 3 minus 4 is indeed negative 1. Those are the magic numbers. So now we can go ahead and factor the bottom into x plus 3 and x minus 4. All right, so from this point, you might already see what we need to do. X plus 3, x plus 3, goodbye. Whenever you have multiplication on the top and bottom, and you have the same thing on the top and the bottom, you can simply cancel them out, because this divided by this is simply 1. So now we're left with x plus 1 over x minus 4, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you can simplify the quotient of two polynomials. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys ever want SAT or ACT help, be sure to visit my website, www.e-ztutoring.com. Thank you guys, and have a good day.